All right, guys, today is going to be a fairly short video because I want to see you mostly do this on your own, okay? So these are starting our workbook pages today that go along with the story that we read, Arrow and Officer Mike. And Mrs. Hagen is going to read the words in the box, but I'm going to let you do this on your own. So today we're looking at words that have the AR, the OR, and the ORE. Read the sentence, put the word in. We've been doing this all year. So our words are Mars, like the planet, chores that you do around the house, artistic, if you like to be creative and paint and draw, morning, you know that one, parking, explore, cart, like a grocery cart, largest, and parlor. Parlor is a little bit of a different word that you don't hear very often anymore. Okay, and parlor is maybe when I look at, it's like a kitchen or somewhere that you would invite somebody into. It's like a part in a house. Okay, does that make sense? Parlor. They invite you to they used to call it is a room in a house that was older. So that will help you with that one. So fill those in your neatest handwriting and then meet me on the next page, 187. And as we're getting towards the end of the year here, I'm going to try to give less and less clues because I think you guys are more than capable of doing this pretty much on your own, okay? So here we go. We are now working with the vowel sound at the top that have the R sound. So we're looking for the one that has the vowel plus the R sound, like far. So you can see that the vowel is A, and then it has the R sound, okay? So look for that. So we're looking for words like far. Okay, so you're going to start on your list. Horse, mark. Oh, there's one right there. It has the vowel followed by the R. So I would put mark right here, and then I'm going to look for my other 1, 2, 3, 4 words. On the other side, I have words that have the vowel plus the R sound like an or. So we're looking for that OR. So I'm going to start on my list. Horse, oh, right there, has the vowel, the O, and then it has the R. So horse. So find those. And just a reminder that we do not do the challenge or the review words on those. They are not using either of those. All right, they are going to ask you some questions down here, and yes, you do need to do those. Okay? All right, that's it for the video today, guys.